Welcome to Jubilee Acres. I'm Tracy and I'm glad that you're here. Man, 2025 was rough. Matter of fact, it's been rough for all of us, but guess what? We made it. God has a place for us in 2026, and for that we are thankful. I'm so excited about you guys being on this journey with us as we learn how to turn a piece of land into something that's profitable, that produces good and healthy food and experiences, and that encourages other people to want to build something for their families. As you may know or may remember, I started this journey when I was 55 and divorced with really no real plan. But I knew that I wanted to do something that my children and my children's children can be involved in. And while my mind is still clear and my body's still somewhat healthy, I gotta make it happen. So today, for today's farm chores, I am going to first clean out my thing and take my granddaughters for a ride on my lawnmower. All right, my four-wheeler's acting up today, so I'm gonna put them in the cart. But once I get them a lap around the field, I'm gonna, let them get out, go swing, do other things, and then I am going to prepare firewood for the coming season. The weather happens to be really good today, and those pieces of branches that had fallen over the last few weeks, they're nice and dry. I've cut some up yesterday. Justin helped me pull some down and cut some yesterday as well. But today is pick them up and put them in a place where they will be dry for future use. Because when it gets cold, you see your girl shirt? That's in California, right? That means I'm probably inside, locked up with my fireplace running, with my freshly cut firewood. For now, that's it. I'm hoping that wherever you are, you're having a day filled with encouragement, faith, and the love of God. Get at it. Talk to you later. Bye. All right, we're back from the ride. We had to get our lap in. All done, and now it's time to move on to chores. Loving chores, loving you. Gotta go. All right, we've filled up our cart with the firewood for now. We got plenty more chopping to do with our chainsaw. But for now, this first load is ready to go to the barn so that it can start drying out. I want to try to dry it out at least a year before I try to use it in the fireplace. But anything you have to wait for a year for requires planning. So the things we're doing right now aren't for this year's winter, it's for next year's winter. All right, ready to move out? Hold on. Oh, and I know in the comments you're probably gonna send me some safety, and I know. We'll go slow. We appreciate you. Thanks, Piper. Can you do me a favor? Ask Daddy to come over here so he can help me with something. Thank you. All right, now it's time for, I have an opportunity to have some help from Justin. So I'm gonna put my, my firewood project on pause for just a minute. My firewood I can do by myself because Justin has already taught me how to chainsaw. But I need some help with my planter boxes. I have some pallets I plan to recycle, and I'd like to try to create 4 of them today while the weather's good and Justin is here to help. So, gotta get with it. Okay, we're almost at the end of our day, and we made some planter boxes. I got my little driver with me. Say hello, driver.
Hello.
We're gonna go very slow so that we can get our finished product over here to our garden bed so that we can put it in place. We're not gonna put any soil or anything in it today. We're just gonna place it, and then maybe tomorrow or the next day I'm gonna do the whole cardboard and hay and stuff on the inside. But for now, they're ready. All right, okay. And we're gonna head over now. Ready? All right. Yeah. All right, guys, the day is over and I'm exhausted, honestly. Are you tired, Piper?
Yeah.
Speaking to the microphone, say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
I didn't even do anything, but all right.
She was doing the most.
Right.
Are you
She was
tired,
doing the
Justin?
most. Yes, my back hurts.
Yeah.
And my side hurts and my neck hurts.
And you know what? I appreciate you, and I think it's time for us to eat.
I think it's time for us to drink.
And you know what? I agree. I concur with all of that. We accomplished quite a bit today. We have 3 new flower beds in our primary garden. We will be ready for spring. Pretty excited about that. This time I'm growing enough food to be able to can and preserve and freeze something.
I hear that. I'm surprised we didn't chop no trees down today.
I still got one up there waiting for you. We can get it on the way back if you want.
Oh, no. That can wait till tomorrow.
Wow.
I didn't think he wanted any of that.
I need my union, my union rep if you want me to work some more.
Does not need his union.
Thank
How about
you.
stop talking, Miss Mind Your Business?
Now.
Well, we appreciate you joining us each and every time that we are pursuing our dream. Send us comments, ideas, suggestions, and get out there. Live it, do it. You got this, we got this. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.
Jubilee Acres. See y'all next time.